Hi, dear students. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael. If you want to learn English quickly and easily,
This episode is just for you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, friends. I'm Michael. Today, we will talk about something very exciting. Holidays.
Yes, holidays are special days. We all wait for them. Today, we will learn how to talk about holidays in English.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly, clearly, and make it fun.
First, let's understand what a holiday is. A holiday is a day when people don't go to work or school.
Yes, holidays are days to relax, travel, or spend time with family and friends.
Sometimes holidays are national, like Independence Day, and sometimes they're personal, like birthdays.
Exactly. Holidays can be big celebrations or small, special moments.
Michael, what is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love the decorations and gifts. What about you, Emily?
I like summer holidays because I can travel and go to the beach.
Yes, summer holidays are fun for everyone.
Now let's learn how to talk about holiday plans. We say, I will go to, or I will visit.
For example, I will say, I will visit my grandparents during the holiday.
And I can say, I will go to the mountains with my family.
Good. Can you tell me where you will go next holiday, Emily?
If you want to ask someone about their holiday plans, you can say, what will you do on your holiday?
Or you can ask, where will you go during the holiday?
And the answer can be, I will stay at home or I will travel to Paris. So let's talk about holiday activities. What do people do during holidays?
People can relax, travel, read books, or play games.
I like to swim and eat ice cream during summer holidays.
I like to watch movies and decorate the house during Christmas.
Let's do a short role play. Imagine we are planning a holiday together.
Great. I say, Emily, where should we go this holiday?
I say, let's go to the beach. It will be sunny and fun.
Perfect. We can also say, we can build sand castles and play volleyball.
Holidays are also about special food. We can say, I will eat or I love eating.
For example, I love eating turkey on Christmas, or I will eat ice cream during summer holidays.
Yes, you can also ask, what will you eat on your holiday? So now let's talk about past holidays. We used went, visited, and had.
For example, last holiday I visited my uncle.
Or, I had a great time at the beach last summer.
We could also ask, how was your holiday?
Michael, let's do a role play about past holidays.
Okay. I say, Emily, how was your holiday?
It was amazing. I went to the mountains and saw beautiful views.
Wow. Did you take photos?
Yes, I took many photos of different holidays. Holidays are different in every country, and some are only celebrated in one country. I can show you all the photos.
For example, Thanksgiving is only in the United States and Canada.
And Diwali is celebrated in India.
Christmas is celebrated in many countries around the world.
If you want to ask someone about holidays in their country, you can say,
What holidays do you have in your country?
and make an answer. We celebrate New Year, Independence Day, and many festivals.
Simple and easy.
Many holidays are about giving gifts. We can say, I will give, or I received.
For example, I will give a book to my friend, or I received a toy on my birthday.
And you can also ask, what gifts did you get on your last holiday? So let's do a fun dialogue, Michael. Pretend it is Christmas.
Okay. Emily, I got you a gift.
Wow! Thank you, Michael. What is it?
It's a small book. I hope you like it.
I love it. You're so thoughtful. Holidays are perfect for travel. We can say, I will travel to, or I went to.
For example, I will travel to Paris this summer, or I went to Rome last holiday.
You can also ask, where did you travel last holiday? Michael, let's plan a holiday trip.
Okay. Emily, do you want to travel to the beach or the mountains?
I want to go to the beach. It is sunny and warm.
Perfect. We can also go swimming and eat ice cream.
Weather is important for holidays. We can say, it will be sunny, or it was rainy.
For example, last holiday it was very sunny and I swam in the pool.
Or next holiday, it will be cold, so I will wear a jacket.
Safety is important during holidays. We can say, be careful or stay safe.
For example, be careful while swimming in the sea, or stay safe while traveling.
Always remember to take care of yourself and your family.
Many holidays have traditions. We can say, our family tradition is...
For example, our family tradition is to decorate the Christmas tree, or we light lamps for Diwali.
Traditions make holidays more special. So, Michael, let's talk about our family holiday traditions.
Okay. Emily, what do you do on your holidays?
We decorate the house and eat special food.
That sounds fun. Our family watches movies and sings songs.
You can ask someone about their favorite holiday. Say, which is your favorite holiday?
And the answer can be, my favorite holiday is New Year because we celebrate with fireworks.
Or, I love Eid because we wear new clothes and eat sweets.
Some holidays are for shopping. We can say, I will buy or I bought.
For example, I bought gifts for my family, or I will buy decorations for Christmas.
Shopping can be fun, but remember not to spend too much. Let's pretend we are shopping for a holiday. Emily, what will you buy for your friend?
I will buy a small gift and a card.
I will buy chocolates and a toy.
Perfect. Now we are ready for the holiday. Holidays are also for rest. We can say, I will relax, or I relaxed.
For example, I will sleep early and watch movies, or I relaxed at home last holiday.
Relaxing helps us feel fresh and happy. Holidays are for fun games, too. We can say, I will play.
For example, I will play board games with my family, or we played football last holiday.
Playing games makes holidays more enjoyable. Some people love taking photos during holidays. We can say, I will take photos, or I took photos.
For example, I took many photos at the beach, or I will take photos of the fireworks.
Photos help us remember holidays forever. Music is also part of holidays. We can say, I will listen to, or I listened to.
For example, I listened to Christmas songs, or I will listen to holiday music with friends.
Music makes holidays happy and lively, and many people also watch movies during holidays. We can say, I will watch, or I watched.
For example, I watched a Christmas movie last holiday, or I will watch a new movie with my friends.
Movies make holidays more fun and relaxing. So let's pretend it is a complete holiday day.
Okay. I wake up early, eat breakfast, and go swimming.
I wake up late, read a book, and eat ice cream.
Then we meet, play games, and enjoy music and movies.
Finally, we relax, take photos, and remember the day happily. That's all for today's lesson about holidays in English.
I hope you learned many new words and sentences.
Remember, practice speaking slowly and clearly every day.
And don't forget to enjoy your holidays.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy holidays.